In this video, you'll learn how to see your purchase history on eBay. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to access a detailed record of all the items you've bought on the platform. Begin by opening the eBay website or the mobile application on your device. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign-in area. Enter your registered email address and password in the appropriate fields to log into your account. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your personal dashboard. Look for the option labeled My eBay, positioned near the top right corner of the page. Clicking this section will reveal several account management options. Inside the My eBay menu, you will find various choices. Select the option titled Purchase History from the list provided. This section is essential as it contains a detailed record of all the items you have purchased on eBay. Here, each entry displays the product title, price, seller name, and order date. You will also see the delivery status for each of your purchases. If you wish to check older orders, utilize the filter options available to narrow down purchases by specific months or years. Next, click on any item within your purchase history to view the full order details. This action will take you to a new page that provides comprehensive information about your transaction. You will see details regarding the payment method used, the shipping address, and the tracking status of your order. If you have any questions about your purchase, this page also allows you to contact the seller directly. In addition to viewing order specifics, this section enables you to leave feedback about your experience or request returns if necessary. Keeping track of your purchase history is a vital practice that helps you manage all your eBay transactions efficiently. This information can be particularly useful for monitoring your spending and ensuring you receive your items the expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.